Did you know that the quality of an AI's answer depends heavily on how you ask the question? Prompt engineering is the practice of creating clear and effective instructions that help AI generate better responses. When prompts are unclear or too broad, AI often produces generic and less useful answers. Adding context, audience, format, and goals helps AI produce much more accurate and helpful results. Great prompts often include context, role instructions, examples, and clear constraints to guide the AI. Prompt engineering is becoming one of the most valuable AI skills. The better your prompt, the better your results. Follow for more AI concepts in 60 seconds.